Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to download Instagram Notes music. So to do that, let's head over to Instagram. Once in there, I was making a post, so I'm just make it. So in here, as you can see, I'm on Instagram. So I'm heading over to my DM or my profile. So let's head over to the DM. So as you can see, there is a share a note option. So let's say I'm gonna post a song in there, or someone has posted a song. So it will show like this. So if you want to just get this or want to download the Instagram music from here, you just have to tap on it and turn on your phone's screen recorder. Make sure you turn it on with media and mic and start the recording and record the whole song from here. So yeah, this is how easy it is to download Instagram Notes music. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And please let us know how it worked for you. Hope to see you in the next video.